Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise be to Allah, who have given us the ability to think, learning and grow. May peace and blessing be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who taught us that seeking knowledge is a duty for every Muslim. So, my dear friend of Dai Online, we have you are. Dear brother and sister, it is a great honor to stand before you today to talk about an important topic. Education is the key to a better future. Education is one of the most valuable gifts we can have. It is not just about going to school or to get a degree. It is about gaining knowledge that help us improve our life and contribute to society. With education, we can shape our future and make the world a better place. The first reflection in Islam was Iqra, which means read. This shows us how important our life is in our religion. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, "Seek knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." By Ibn Majah. This means that learning is not just a choice; it is responsible. Whether we are young or old, we must always seek knowledge because education opens doors to opportunities, helps us make better decisions, and allows us to serve for our commitment. Unfortunately, many people do not take education seriously. Some think that learning is difficult or boring, but we must remember that knowledge is the light that removes ignorance and gets to success. The more we learning, the more we can act. My dear friend, let us make a commitment to never stop learning. Let us value education, seek knowledge, and ask it for good, whether in school, at home, or in daily life. Every moment is an opportunity to learning and grow. That is all I want to share today. May Allah bless us with knowledge and wisdom and guide us toward a better future. Keep learning, keep go, and get searching for success. Thank you for time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.